Hi guys, and welcome to the channel again. I know it's been a while and it's great to be back doing the readings on the channel. I thought let me record some quick readings for each star sign just to get us back into the groove of things. I know I've been away for a while on this channel. It's because I was giving my attention to my other cooking channel, Love Extra Cooking. I'll put the link down below so you will get that. And I thought, what better way to start the new half of the year, because the solstice is coming up on the 20th, 21st of June. So it's winter solstice in the southern hemisphere and the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. So we're going to get right to it and pull up some cards for you. And we'll start off with Aries and go down the line from there. So let's get started. Virgo, hi, welcome to your solstice reading and your energy reading for the next 6 months. Your card is divine timing. Beautiful card to begin with the Cupid arrow there. Second up is we have two at the same time. Interesting. We've got beautiful cards, enchantments, which has come up before, I think for tourists, but again, the beautiful card to come up with lots of magical energy. In fact, enchantment means magical energy and romance. You've got the romance card. You're the first sign to get the romance card. So let's get right to it. Divine timing for magical enchantment and romance. You ever pick up the divine timing card, though, I always pick up one more card. So you're getting a bonus card. Wow. And this is the card you've got, miracles. So wow, you've got great cards today, Virgo. Let's go again. Divine timing, enchantments, romance, and miracles. Great. I was just chatting to a client about Miracle card yesterday, and this energy at the solstice energy, especially now, June 2021, reminds me a lot of Miracle card. And you will see a lot of miracles occurring, but just remember, miracles can be small miracles. And they're still a miracle because a miracle is a miracle. But something that you thought that would take a lot of effort actually would be really miraculous. It's going to blow your mind how easy it's going to be. But considering that's the last card, and most my readings have worked in a momentum over the 6 months, let's begin with the first. So you've been having some hiccups, so I want to say taking steps forward but getting stuck, a little bit of stagnant energy, but you're going to see things moving. It's divine timing for things to start moving for you, Virgo. Not just with, for example, career or finances, but also social life, love life, work life. Even if you're already in an existing relationship, having a renewal of energy in that relationship, and also perhaps a new relationship, a new love, or even new love with yourself. But whatever it's going to be magical, beautiful energy, unicorn energy, and it's also going to be romantic. So you have beautiful, the romance card is really a beautiful card. And remember, romance energy can also be with yourself. So you don't have to wait until one sweet day when you're in, excuse me, when you're in a new relationship, you can begin doing romantic acts of kindness for yourself. Not random acts of kindness, romantic acts of kindness, like buying yourself flowers, getting a rose, getting chocolates, playing some music, playing instrumental music, playing Kenny G. Anything that helps or relaxes you, helps you feel romantic. Going for a massage, going for a walk, going for a moonlight walk, sunlight walk, whatever feels romantic for you. And that will also in turn sharing that with yourself will help attract that to that energy. And the last card that you got, which was your bonus card for having had the divine timing card, is miracles. And I think it's divine timing, about damn time, I think, about time that you had some miracle energy, Virgo. It's funny, I just had that word about damn time. I think it's been pretty long for you that you put in a lot in life, and I'm seeing many streams, like all the streams, like finance. Again, we said it: finance, home, love life, family life, career, uh, your hobbies, your travel, things that make you feel like yourself or in tune with yourself. You've been putting it in, and you haven't been getting it out. It's like you're putting in. I see like pebbles of energy, work, time, resources, and now it hasn't gone to waste. It hasn't gone nowhere. You've been building that up, and now you're going to start seeing the returns. Sometimes energy works where you're planting a seed and you're putting things in and you're putting things in, and you're like, where the heck is my manifestation? But it's going to start to manifest now. You will begin to see that. You will begin to see the energy of it beginning to create around now. Hopefully, the solstice time, it might take a few more weeks maybe for you to create it in terms of energy wise and putting in the work. But once you do, you will see it lucrative and starting to manifest. So, Virgo, I hope that helps you with your solstice reading. Hope you have a magical solstice and a magical 6 months. And also comment down below with the dream you wish to create and the ones that are manifesting for you. So, happy solstice, Virgo. See you soon. Bye. Hi guys, so happy solstice again, and I just wanted to share with you. I was sitting outside, and today is the solstice, and 20th June, and it looks so magical with the orange shade. It almost looks like the lights touching the earth, and I'm near the sea, so it looks like, in Brother Bear, when the lights touch the mountain and it's the solstice time and it's this magical energy. Well, it really feels magical, and I just wanted to capture this moment and share it with you with your solstice reading. So let's see if I can change the camera over. Okay, there we go. You can see the orange sunset just beginning to happen, and I love how it just touches the edge of the horizon of the ocean. And there you can see it, the waves with the orange lights. It's just really beautiful, and it looks really magical at this time of the solstice. So here we go. Just sharing that with you. And I hope you have a great solstice, a great year, and a great rest of the 6 months until the next solstice. So remember, the day and night is equal in the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere today. Beautiful energy, and just enjoy the energy, guys. Take care.